Hi, this is Wayne from Advantech. Today, I'm excited to introduce our latest innovation, the UBX-330M, a powerful NUC-Sized edge computer specifically designed for AI-driven applications. Its compact qubit design is ideal for space-conscious deployments. Besides, the UBX-330M is powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with built-in CPU, GPU, and NPU for high computing performance and excellent AI integration across industry in smart city, such as retail, hospitality, and public spaces. So, what makes our UBX-330M stand out? First, it delivers powerful AI integration with M.2 modules like Hello AI accelerators, enabling advanced tasks such as people counting, facial recognition, and predictive analytics. Second, the modular cableless design simplifies inventory management while allowing easy customization and self-assembly. Whether you need additional I/O ports, extra 2.5-inch storage, or 4G, 5G wireless communication support, these flexible expansion options are readily available. Lastly, its versatile mounting solutions including wall, VESA, and pole mounting, as well as adapter brackets, the DIN rail kit, and monitor arm mounting, can ensure seamless integration into various environments. So, are you ready to power your business with our UBX-330M? Please contact us today for more information. This is Wayne, and I'll see you next time.